It's a world to build, where imagination and pixels are filled. I grab my lasso tool and I start to trace, selecting the parts that I want to embrace. Then it's fill it up right, turning the canvas into pure light. I use the spot healing brush, clear out the mess, perfecting my vision, every detail no less. With blend modes on, I change the tone. Each layer I stack, a world of my own.
Transform tool,
Twisting the design, every move I make, it's all by design. We're the pixel dreamers, creators at heart. From content aware to a work of art. Every brush stroke, every shift in Photoshop will make the world drift. With curves to play, exposure, we mold the perfect masterpiece we seek. Now it's gradient map, blending the hues, changing the mood, creating